Hey folks, I'm HPCrazy and today we talk about I Just Got Paid by Joe Bonamassa, or I think it's a ZZ Top cover. And we're gonna check out the guitar work, the rhythm guitar, since most of you are not able to play the Joe Bonamassa solo. So I gotta do some stuff on Joe Bonamassa later, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. So let's get started with this. We just go directly to it. I wanted to create a backing track, but somehow it makes no sense because there are a few things on that one here, and it's a bit too complicated. We first have an intro, like on I listened to the Albert Royal Hall version, then he makes like this to the audience, and that one would be the entry. So first we practice this one. But now let's see how this really works out. The song is in E, so it's pretty simple. We are on the E minor pentatonics in the pretty much standard position here in the 5th fret. So 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. This is the position where all the magic happens. So at the beginning, when he interacts with the audience, he makes this. So 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. Then he waits and then goes to E5. If you want to put this into a rhythm, I mean, it has kind of a rhythm, but I think it's pretty open there because you just want to interact with the audience. 2, 3. But if it has a rhythm, the chord comes in 4, and so 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes in 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then this chord comes in 4 and as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. I think that comes about 4 times. And then comes the drum intro. Then the main riff starts, which will be this one here. This one here. It's really simple to play, but the rhythm is really tricky for the maybe not so good rhythm guitar players among you. So we have here 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 3, 7. So it's really simple. But the rhythm is, that's the first figure. This is da ga ga, da ga ga, da ga ga, da ga ga. And from then on, it's always a 16 note offbeat. What does that mean? If you have 16 notes, this is the beat. It's 90 BPM, so da ga da ga da ga da ga da. So I play on 1. It's also always on the 2nd, on the 4th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I make it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And your foot is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the trick. All these are 60 note offbeats, and the last one here comes on the 4. So it's really tricky from the rhythm part. You can try to play by listening or by really analyzing it. As I said, the first is da ga ga, and from then on all are 60 note offbeats. So this one comes on the 2nd 60 note, this one on the 4th, 2nd, 4th, and this one comes on 4. And sometimes he plays 2 8 notes here. So this riff comes 4 times. Then he goes in the bending. Keeps it for about 1 bar or 2 bars, depends probably on how the audience reacts. So holds it, and then comes the whole riff again. 4 times, and then comes the singer. I just got paid. It's really simple. And when he plays, when he sings, he just makes E5 and just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D5, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, A5 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. And at the end, 2 dead notes, 16 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the whole thing. Then comes the riff again. 4 times. And then comes the same thing again. And then it goes kind of in a refrain. I have the tabs here. I need to check them out. The song is really long. Where do we have it? Yep. Then comes the refrain, and he plays a G5, a special G5. Here with the thumb in the 3rd fret, middle ring finger on the 5th fret. G string is open in here, index on the 3rd fret. So sounds really full. Then it makes 1, 2, 1, 2, dagger, 3, 4, dagger, and then to D5, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. Same figure, so 1, 2. And then again comes the riff. Then again. And then the riffing. And then I think the riff comes a few times. Let me see. I've tabbed out everything. You can have the tab in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I just tabbed out till the solo because then the things start to repeat. Yeah, then comes again the singing part. And yeah, the singing part, then the second part. Let me see that. Oh God, it's really long. Well, basically the best is to listen to the song over and over. These are the 3 parts. We have the riff, then we have the singing part, and the kind of the refrain part. So the riff is this. That's the riff. The singing part is this. E5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes the riff again, 2 bars. Then the refrain is kind of a G5 to D5. And then the whole thing comes again. Good. In between he also makes other chords. Sometimes he also makes the singing part not down here, makes it up here. E5. Here in the 9th fret. D and G string. Then the D5 would be, and the A would be here. 7, 7, 6 here on the A, D and G string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So either he makes the singing when it comes with the singing down here or up here. There are 2 possibilities, but the refrain is more or less that as showed. And then comes a little bit, honestly, for me a little bit annoying interlude. It's really simple from the chords, and it's always the same thing. We have here It's basically we switch to A. Here 5 5 7. So 5 7 5. Then to 7 7. 5 5 7. That is one figure which is played all the time. The second figure is pretty similar. Second bar. But now 7 7 5. And then there's a 2-bar figure, and this repeats all the time. After twice it moves up 2 frets, same thing again here. But now comes this one here. 7 5 7 6 5 6 7 5. This one here. It comes really fast, so and you make hammer on when you come back up. And then you jump immediately in the 12th fret and make the same figure again up here. And then the solo starts. So that's the whole thing. I'm gonna play all parts again. We have the intro. So. And then listen to the audience. That comes a few times, then comes the riff. That comes quite a lot, then comes a break. We go in the bending here in the 10th fret on the B string. And then it starts, the whole thing starts with full drive. And singing coming in. Alternative chords for singing. Now comes the refrain. Then again would come the singing, then a refrain again, but we skip this down, then comes this interlude. Sorry, like this. Move up. And now the solo starts. Yeah, folks, that was now the main, these were the 3 main parts of Just Got Paid. There's a lot of soloing in it and a lot of dynamics and stuff like that. So really listen to original songs and check out these 3 parts that I showed, and just need to put them in where you hear them. It's played in E, so it's not a problem. Just tune your guitar and then you play it along with it. If you're unsure about at least how it works till to the solo, I tabbed it up for you. It's available at the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there anyway. Yo, there's not much more to say about this. I mean, it's basically how it is, this song. I really love it, I must say, and Joe Bonamassa is a great guitar player. And It's really cool stuff. Yeah, if you love my lesson, write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join me on Telegram. I have new Telegram account. You find me there, HPCrazy, or an Instagram account. Join me there too. And follow me on Google also for stuff like that. And me and Dr. Pink are now signing off. Blah, blah.